The Galactic Council's amphitheater fell silent as Ambassador Vexthor activated the containment field. Inside prowled a Zorathian shadow beast cub, its obsidian fur rippling with bioluminescent patterns that warned of danger in 17 different star systems. At 3 months old, it already possessed claws capable of shearing through titanium plating. "Behold," Vexthor announced, his mandibles clicking with satisfaction, "the ultimate test of human recklessness. This creature's mere presence has cleared entire colonies. Its adult form stands as apex predator on 43 worlds." The human delegation sat unmoving in their designated section. Ambassador Sarah Chen observed the cub with the same expression she might wear while reviewing trade documents. Beside her, Security Chief Marcus Thompson actually yawned. "Release it," commanded High Counselor Zatara, her crystalline form pulsing with anticipation. "Let us witness these humans flee as all sensible species do." The containment field dissolved. The shadow beast cub immediately locked its 6 eyes onto the human delegation, its neural crest flaring in a threat display that had evolved over millions of years to paralyze prey with fear. It stalked forward, each movement broadcasting lethal intent through its bioluminescent markings. Sarah Chen did something that would be replayed across the galaxy's news networks for cycles to come. She smiled. "Oh, look at you," she cooed, slowly extending her hand. "Aren't you just trying so hard to be scary?" The council members recoiled. The Altarian representative actually fell from his perch. Multiple species activated personal shield generators. The shadow beast cub paused, confused. Its threat displays intensified, patterns shifting to configurations that triggered primal fear in most carbon-based life forms. It released a subsonic growl designed to cause involuntary muscle paralysis. Marcus Thompson chuckled. "Reminds me of my daughter's kitten when it first discovered mirrors." The cub tilted its head, neural crest flickering uncertainly. No prey had ever responded with amusement. Its genetic programming offered no guidance for this scenario. Sarah slowly reached into her pocket, causing several council members to gasp. She pulled out something that made the entire assembly lean forward in disbelief. A protein bar. "You hungry, little one?" She unwrapped it partially, holding it out. "It's not exactly made for your biology, but the base proteins should be compatible." The shadow beast cub approached cautiously, all 6 eyes fixed on the offered food. Its sensory organs analyzed the chemical composition, finding no threat. More puzzling was the complete absence of fear pheromones from these strange bipeds. Instead, they emitted something its young brain could only interpret as warmth. It took the protein bar delicately, its razor-sharp teeth barely grazing Sarah's fingers. She didn't flinch. "That's a good baby," she murmured, slowly moving her other hand to scratch behind its neural crest, a spot that, unbeknownst to the terrified council, was incredibly sensitive in young shadow beasts. The cub's eyes widened, then gradually began to close. A sound emerged that silenced the entire amphitheater, a deep, resonant purr that its species only produced when completely content. Within minutes, the ultimate predator had climbed into Sarah's lap, curled into a ball, and fallen asleep. Marcus draped his jacket over it when it shivered slightly in the climate-controlled chamber. "This is impossible," Vexthor sputtered, his careful plan in ruins. "Shadow beasts don't. They can't. They eat sentience." "Adult ones might," Sarah said, still stroking the sleeping cub. "But this is a baby. All babies need the same things: food, warmth, and safety. We just showed it we weren't a threat and offered what it needed." "But the fear response," protested a Rigelian scientist. "It's hardwired into every species' neurons." Marcus shrugged. "Humans co-evolved with predators. Our ancestors domesticated wolves while they could still eat us. We kept cats despite them being perfectly designed killers. Hell, some of us keep snakes, spiders, and sharks as pets. Fear of predators isn't hardwired in us, it's learned, and we learned to make friends instead." The cub stirred, yawning to reveal rows of teeth that could pierce armor. It looked up at Sarah, made a small chirping sound, then resumed sleeping. Several council members fainted. "You have to understand," Sarah addressed the council, her voice gentle but firm. "Humans don't see predators the way you do. We see potential. Where you see danger, we see something that might need help. Where you see a monster, we see—" She looked down at the sleeping bundle of death in her lap. "We see a baby that just needed a nap." High Counselor Zatara's form flickered through several colors of bewilderment. This was meant to demonstrate human recklessness, their danger to galactic civilization. Oh, it did. Sarah smiled. Just not how you expected. We're dangerous because we're not afraid. We're dangerous because we'll pack bond with anything. And we're most dangerous because we have the audacity to see the universe not as it is, but as it could be, where even the deadliest predator might just need someone to scratch behind its ears and tell it it's a good boy. The shadow beast cub began to snore softly, occasionally twitching as it dreamed whatever dreams baby apex predators have when they feel truly safe for the first time in their lives. The Galactic Council voted unanimously to never again attempt to test humans. The risk of them adopting whatever was thrown at them was simply too high. The shadow beast cub, meanwhile, became the first of its species to experience belly rubs, ear scratches, and the peculiar human tradition of being called Mr. Fluffykins, despite being capable of eating faces. It loved every minute of it.